Go look for more before Kara gets them all. No, don't open them yet. No opening. No opening. You close them. Put it back in.
I did some of our eggs.
Ryan, look other places. Don't follow Kara. Look your own way. Go, Ryan, you get it, Ryan. No, Ryan, you get it.
Pink.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. Go. You better go fast. Kara's not waiting on you. Ryan.
Turn the door.
Oops. Oh. Did you hide?
Out or tell.
Come here, bud. Ryan. See if anything's over there. Oh, is anything under there?
I have no plastic egg. I only have two plastic eggs.
Ooh. Put it in softly. Okay. Ryan, look behind you now. Put that in. No, put those in softly. Never mind. Go ahead. Oh, you see? Wow. Cool. Don't throw them in there so hard. Come on, stay over here. Stay over here. Kara. Go look over there. I think I see something. Over there. In the window. Kara.
You can just leave that one there, buddy.
Ryan.
Alright, come here. Look in the window. Look in the window. Look in the window.
Oh.
I saw one.
What's that?
I saw one.
Candy inside him?
Yeah. No candy.
I will go look upstairs. Sometimes he leaves eggs at the... You can tell what room he goes into because he leaves them right at the doorway, kind of, sometimes. Go. No. All right, go. Hurry. Kara's going to find them all.